Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cold pasta salad with Italian dressing. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll want to cook about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta like rotini or penne until it's perfectly al dente. This means it should still have a slight bite. Immediately after cooking, rinse it thoroughly with cold water to cool it down and prevent it from sticking. Then, drain it very well. Now, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite crisp vegetables, such as colorful bell peppers, crisp cucumbers, and red onions, all finely chopped. Don't forget to add about 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes and a 1/4 cup of sliced black olives. These fresh additions bring vibrant colors and textures to your salad, making every bite delightful and refreshing. Next, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your perfectly cooked and cooled pasta with all the freshly chopped vegetables. Now, for the star of the show, the dressing. Pour about 1/2 cup of your favorite Italian dressing over the mixture. Gently toss everything together until every piece of pasta and every vegetable is beautifully coated and glistening with flavor. Finally, the most important step for a truly delicious cold pasta salad is chilling. Cover your bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This crucial step allows all those amazing flavors to meld and deepen, creating a much more satisfying taste experience. When you're ready, give it a quick stir and serve this refreshing dish as a perfect side or a light, enjoyable meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.